Hey there, factory heroes! Working in manufacturing has come a long way in terms of safety, but let's face it, there are still hazards lurking around. The good news? Many of these can be avoided by focusing on safe practices and taking the necessary precautions. Most accidents happen due to an unsafe act, an unsafe condition, or sometimes both. Imagine removing a protective guard from a machine. That's an unsafe act that could easily result in an accident. Or say, a spill on the floor. It's an unsafe condition that could cause someone to slip and fall. Both scenarios, totally preventable by following proper safety procedures and staying alert. So, what kind of hazards might you encounter on the job? Here are a few common ones. Not wearing proper personal protective equipment. Removing guards from machinery. Using machines or tools improperly. Unsafe handling of materials or chemicals. Horseplay. Debris or spills that aren't cleaned up. Wearing hanging jewelry or belts that could be caught in equipment. Sound familiar? Now let's talk about how to avoid accidents. First off, stay alert. Don't let routine tasks make you careless. Always observe safety precautions, even if they seem inconvenient or take a bit longer. Remember, cutting corners is a major cause of accidents. Know your job inside out. The more you know, the safer you'll be. Follow proper procedures and safety precautions. Got questions during your workday? Talk to your supervisor. Be on the lookout for unsafe conditions near your workstation. And most importantly, make a personal contribution to safety. Follow all safety rules. Wear the required uniform and protective gear, even if you think it's unnecessary or slows you down. These rules are there for your protection. Use your common sense. If an act seems unsafe, find a safer way to do it. Now let's focus on building good habits. It's human nature to fall into routines. Breaking a safety rule just once can lead to forming bad habits, habits that can lead to injury. Instead, form good habits. Notice unsafe conditions. Correct them immediately, or report them to a supervisor. Finally, develop a safe attitude. It's easy to think accidents only happen to others. But if we all do our part in observing safety rules and staying alert for unsafe conditions, everyone benefits. Remember, safety isn't just a rule book. It's a lifestyle. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.